This is coursicle. It has several interesting features. You can plan your schedule or you can get into classes. So what happens a lot in college is you'll want to be in a class, but you'll get waitlisted for it. So coursicle has this cool feature where it allows you to get notified as soon as the seat opens up in the class that you want. But we're going to look into making a schedule right now. So we're going to select our college. We're going to go to Queen's College. So there's several different parts of coursicle. You can browse classes, you can make a schedule, or you can look at textbooks. I'm not going to look at the textbook feature yet, because it's not available yet, but let's look at the schedule and the browse feature. So you can make multiple different schedules. If you want to make a fall schedule, fall 2019 2. So if you want to have two different schedules in case one doesn't work out, you can switch between them. For the sake of this demo, let's just have one schedule. As you can see, it shows you what a schedule could look like. What's really cool about coursicle is it allows you to create this very visual schedule to work with. Play around with it, and it lets you put multiple sections in a class. So if you can see over here, it has one Chem 101, another Chem 101, another Chem 101. You can play around and see what works best with the other classes that you want to take. So look for a class. What you have to do is you click on Browse. You'll put in the class code. So I'm doing it for Comp Sci 111. And it will show you all the different sections. The only thing about coursicle that's not so great is it shows you both open and closed sections. So you want to look at CUNY first to compare. But here are all the different sections, and you click on it to reveal the time, room number, and professor. You want to add this to your schedule. You click on the little star and you click your schedule. Say I want to add a lab as well, and another one with the matching lab. And then I would be able to compare. Let's say I added another class. Put this section in, and this section. And then I'd be able to compare what works best. So I see that these two clash. I'll say I really want this section ran through, so I'm going to remove this section. Remove this comp set because I see these two clash. And there you go. You can also use this feature called Fit Complex with my schedule. So let's say I really wanted Anthro 106 Section 3, and then I'm looking for another class. I specifically wanted these two. So I'm going to fake conflict with the other things. So I can take this section or this section, but I would take maybe this section or this section. And then I would take the next steps with that.